Hello, this is, we'll call it a super introductory video about shard creation. So the term shard, when I go to play, these are other people's maps, shards that I can then play. If I want to create my own, let's go back to the main screen. You go to my shards, and these are shards that I've created, shards that I'm working on at the moment. So if you want to make a new one, click on Create New. And the first thing you have to decide, there's colors. So red has sort of a demonic feel to it. Green is marsh-like, a lot of swamp feeling, jungle. Blue would be mountainous, snowy, cold. Purple is desert, and black is, I don't know if you want to call it technological. Yeah, we'll go with technological. And also color-wise, so like desert uses a white sand, purple. The colors sort of match the overall color scheme. So let's go with blue, mountain. Another thing I want to mention while we're here, so notice how some of these are normal looking, some of them are shiny. That shiny, what's referred to as gold, doesn't give your map any extra stats or anything like that. It's purely a visual thing. So let me pause and I'll show you what I'm talking about. So here's a bunch of shards that I've created, and the colors are standard. Well, this one is it uses a standard training grounds, whatever the term is, standard, and this is the gold or the shiny size. Same with this one, standard plus shiny, standard shiny. This particular one uses both a shiny cavern and a shiny gemstone. So again, they don't give you any extra bonus. They just jump out at people as they're scrolling through looking for something to play. So let's go back to the creation screen. All right, so let's say we decided we're going to use mountain. So drag that up there. Now we're committed to mountain. You can, do ice instead, but we'll do mountain. So the next decision to make is colors. I can't, if I choose green here, well, now I'm locked into using one of these green ones. So let's go back to mountain. So as far as size goes, basically you can always start small and go large, but you can't start large and go small. So if I chose a 150 and started working and decided, well, I really didn't use all of that 150, I could have done a 100. Too bad, you're locked into having used that 150. So I'll show you what I mean. I'll start with a 100, click on that to give it a name, test. Now that 100, this is the maximum amount of what do you call it? Unit power. I'll get into that in a different video. Unit power, and also the number of tiles. So this one here is one tile. If I click once, now I've used one more tile. So I can have a total of 150 of these black, 130 of the white, and so on. And if you want to place, right now it's placing one. If I want to place 9 at a time, and then we'll place a bunch of white snow. So let's say we've made a bunch and we're like, well, I would really like some more. So let's go back. There it is. Play lets me play test. This goes right back into that editor screen that we just came out of. This, click on that, and now it's currently a 100. Let's say I want to bump it up to a 150. Now I can edit it. So nothing was destroyed. Everything was there. Still used those 150, but now I have more to work with. I can keep placing things. So I think that'll do it for this quick video.